hide this instance of the vise, show the next instance of the vise. Let's get the vise so it looks like it's, parallel to the world. Okay, and then we're going to create a new setup. It's going to be setup 4. We're not going to use the model orientation. We're going to use Z and X axis. We're going to pick the top surface of our model. And then an X axis is going to be one of the edges. It's an X. Looks like we need to flip direction. And then we're going to go to either a stock or model box point. At this point, it won't matter. And then we pick the bottom edge of our parallel. What we're going to be indicating in on is the surface that I'm moving my cursor about. And the rest, our vise stop should already be set up at this angle. What's going to be important is you make sure that you get it seated on that flat on the parallels. Okay, we go to stock. That's from the previous, that's fine. We're going to ignore that. And then post-process, we're going to put our part number 7312. This is op 4. So we're going to put a 4 at the end. Program comment, op 4. And it's work order system 1. We're going to hit OK. We're going to change the name of this to op 4. And what are we doing? We're doing a countersink, a drill, and a tap, which we did on the first routine. Okay, and so now we've got the vise and the orientation. We're looking at the part with our tool 15 deep drilling that we used on operation 1. Right click on that, and we're going to copy that, go down to op 4. We're going to paste. Then we're going to grab tool number 11 from op 1. Do the same thing, paste, which should be our tap drill size. And then we're going to grab tool 14. Which is our tap. So we now have the 3 routines we need to finish this part. We're going to start with the spot drill. Go edit. We're going to geometry. We're going to clear the face that was selected before. We're going to pick the countersink on this hole. On our heights tab, we can leave everything at default. Same thing with cycles and everything. Hit OK. Now we're going to go onto our drill, our tap drill. Go to geometry. We're going to clear the 2 faces. We're going to select 2 faces. So we need to get the cylinder in the side as well. And we're going to go to heights tab. We'll keep all this at default. We are going to break through. We're going to go 100 thou deeper. That way we make sure that we bust through this full fillet that's in the bottom. Keep everything else at default. Hit OK. Okay, now we're going to go to our tap. And we're going to clear the geometry again. Same thing. Select our 2 pieces of geometry. And we should be able to keep everything else at default. We're going to go 50 thou deeper and hit OK. All right. We have now effectively programmed this entire part. In reference to previous videos, we need to fill out the traveler for the programming operations using the tool numbers so they can be on the paperwork per operation. And then you need to submit a setup sheet and post-process code for 4 programs. So 4 setup sheets, 4 programs. Do not post-process all these as one program. They are different, discrete operations. You need to submit the hard copies with your final project for full credit, and you'll need them in the lab too. So I suggest printing them in the PDF if you can. Alright, so I'm not going to walk you through uploading all that stuff again, and thanks for sticking with me, and good job doing on a 4 operation part.